have probable cause to arrest you for reckless driving, okay? Oh, we'll be on this. I need you to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
I'm just trying to help you, not because you're interrupting me and not listening to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
A traffic stop. A radar reading of 81 miles per hour in a 40 zone. 2 criminal charges. A Miranda invocation reduced to a single word. And a question American courts have wrestled with for decades.
And do you have your driver's license? Do you have a Washington driver's license?
I was trying to dig for it.
Okay, but is it issued out of Washington State?
Correct.
Okay, what's your last name?
Can I try and do one thing at a time so I can look for the thing?
Okay, well, right now I have probable cause to arrest you for reckless driving. Okay, so what I'm trying to make this is yes, double the speed limit is prima facie for reckless driving. Okay, I'm trying to avoid that, but
There's part number 1.
thank you. Well, I mean, I can run to verify, make sure it's verified. I just need your last name, first name, middle initial, and date of birth.
I mean, I have my insurance.
Well, I need to check out, make sure we have valid insurance as well. But what is your last name?
I was trying to find.
I'm asking you what your last name is.
It's literally spelled right
Okay.
there on the registration.
Right now, you're not free to leave. I need you to step out of the vehicle. Nope. We'll be on this. I need you to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
I'm just trying to help
Nope.
you not have
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm
Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest.
Excuse me.
Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest. Come on.
I'm literally just telling you my
Okay,
last
I
name.
understand that. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now. Back here, please. Okay, right now you are not free to leave, like I said.
I'm literally
Okay.
trying to help you.
No, you're not.
Tell you that my name is spelled on my registration.
And I'm asking you
so
what
we
your
don't
last
have
name
to go
is.
in circles with.
You're making us go in circles right now.
No, you're not listening to me.
No, I am listening.
telling
You're
you-
giving me attitude.
I'm not giving you an attitude. I'm telling you that I don't want to go in circles trying to repeat myself.
Sure, but
so
we are.
I can, because you're interrupting me and not listening to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
I'm trying to tell you that my name is spelled on my registration so that we don't have to go in circles and repeat the same thing 12 times.
Okay, well,
My
I'm gonna
last
tell
name
you.
is. You want to keep playing these games with each other?
Do you want to keep playing these games with each other right now? I've been doing this job for 11 years, and I always ask people what their last name is and to spell it for them.
I'm trying to keep you from having to go in circles. I just spelled my name for you. I told you where it's at on the paper. I don't know why you're acting like this.
So I'm trying to figure out why you're acting like this.
I'm not acting like anything. I'm answering your questions. You just don't like me.
That's not the case at all.
You've already made the decision that you don't like me.
Yep, okay, well, right now you are under arrest for reckless driving. Turn up, put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, you're gonna act like this. That's fine.
Release your hands for me, please.
Can I?
No, you
I
cannot.
need my phone.
You cannot leave your phone right this second.
At least I need my phone.
We'll double lock these so we don't tighten up on you, okay? So your first name is... Did I read that correctly?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you can magically read my registration. I love that for you.
Okay, awesome. Well, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you on a written question if you wish.
I can't because I have an eviction
You can
notice. I'm homeless right now.
You can decide. Okay. So, that being said, you said you...
That being said, lawyer.
Okay, then we're going to tow the car. So...
No, he can drive it.
Well, you invoked. I'm not going to ask you any more questions. Can we verify he's got a valid driver's license?
Not a
80 and a 40. 80
Oh,
and 40. There was pedestrian traffic up there. So, prima facie, double, automatic, reckless. Cool. So...
We keep playing these games with each other. I literally was trying to tell him my name and he decides to put me under arrest for trying to tell him my name.
Okay.
That's totally logical. Yeah, totally logical.
Okay. She's also suspended with
I'm not a she. Don't call me she.
Well, I apologize if I offend you. What would you prefer me to call you?
My pronouns are they, them.
Okay.
Don't call me she.
Okay.
It says it right on my driver's license. Gender X.
Gotcha. Tracking. So also your license is suspended third degree, which is an additional crime. Okay. That being said, I have a backseat full of stuff for the range.
I can do it.
Transport. I'll meet you down there. You'll have a court date tomorrow. Your first appearance tomorrow, and then bail, bond, release, whatever the judge decides. So, but you've got your phone. We'll take the phone with us. Is there anything else in the vehicle that you would like to go?
You're not gonna let me have anything I need.
Well, if you have medications or anything like
You're
that.
not gonna let me take my medication. I've been over this 100 different times. We're not having this conversation.
Perfect. Okay, then the
It is my life, but you guys don't let me take it. So
Have you ever been booked at the Kentucky County Jail before?
no one will ever let me take my medication
What are they, if you don't mind me
because it is
asking?
a controlled substance.
Okay.
Because it is prescribed.
Girl?
Jails will let me have
Okay.
it.
If it's prescribed, they can take it.
Nope.
Okay.
No jails have ever let me have it.
Is that the only medication that you take that's prescribed to you?
Correct?
Okay. Are you going to withdraw from anything?
No. What do you
No drugs or alcohol?
Standard questions we always ask.
Like, you're not gonna let me have my ass anyway, so
I
like, there's
tried
no-
giving you an opportunity and you've been telling us
I've
no
been
this
in
whole
this
time.
circle so many times.
You've never been booked at Kentucky
I've
County
been
Jail,
in this
though.
circle so many times.
Alright. Sounds good. Come with me.
I've not completed a search yet. I'm going to talk with
Okay.
him real quick.
Do you want to take her bond?
Yep, thank you.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be disrespectful in any way. Trust me, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to you.
Y'all have already been disrespectful by saying I'm being weird, trying to help me spell my name. Like,
I wasn't here for any of that.
Y'all want to sass me?
Okay.
Whatever.
Hang tight right here. I do gotta.
Send me on my way.
Nope. You've been arrested a lot?
No, because cops just love to be fucking pissy.
Have I been pissy with you?
He was.
I haven't been, though.
He's telling me I'm being a problem. And I think he's answering questions.
Okay. Well, I haven't. I don't even know you from a hole in the wall, right? Okay, so there's been nothing to disrespect you. I don't think. I'm trying not to.
I have shoes and clothes.
You want a bra right now?
I have a sports bra on.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna turn face the car right here. Body cams are on, just so you know.
So, do you go by or is there a name you prefer?
You can call me
Okay,
in these circles.
I'm just asking, right? So,
I'm not going to be friends with you. You've been hissy with me the whole time.
I apologize you feel that way. But because of the amount of paperwork that we have at corrections, is this a good mailing address at all?
I told you I'm literally getting evicted. I'm homeless as of tomorrow.
Because some people have PO boxes or
I'm
where they
homeless
receive
as
mail.
of tomorrow.
Okay. So if I'm going to put this on the paperwork.
Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead. I don't have money. I'm getting evicted because I'm disabled and can't get a job.
So she's getting arrested. Okay. For reckless driving. Do you have a valid license so we can take a look at it? You sure can. Guns, knives, things like that. Not going to try to assault me at all.
Nope.
Nope. Okay. Standard questions, man.
Yeah, no, I understand.
You've been cool with me. I don't know you. Just showed up, right?
Yes.
Just check this real quick. She's got a valid license. Says, as far as I understand, she said you can drive the car away, so we have to tow it.
Gotcha. Okay. Am I able to drive it?
What's that?
Am I able to drive it?
I'm going to check your license real quick.
okay,
Make sure
yeah,
you're valid. If you can, then yeah, we have to tow it, right? Make sense?
Oh, that's very nice.
I mean, I apologize if I offended her, but I'm like, I've been doing this for 11 years, and I always ask people to spell their last name for me, so it is what it is, right? So I'm coming around, go to the range. I mean, she's scooting. Hit the radar, got it 79, peaked to 81, right over here on University. Like, going down towards...
Towards the goose?
Yeah, towards the goose.
Okay.
So, yep, flipped around. It took me till here to catch up.
Dang.
So it took her a few seconds to pull over, window down, yay much.
Right.
I'm like, hey, do you have your license on you? I'm looking for it. I'm like, hey, can you spell your last name for me? One thing at a time. He's just chipping at me the whole time.
At what exact moment does a lawful detention become a lawful arrest? And when does speed of action become a constitutional problem? This encounter in Washington state touches on 4 amendments, 3 landmark Supreme Court decisions, and 1 medical rights principle almost no one thinks to invoke. By the end of this analysis, you will have the legal vocabulary to understand what went right, what went wrong, and what remains unanswered. 2 charges anchor this case. First, reckless driving under Washington Revised Code Section 46-61-500 defines the offense as driving in willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. Washington courts have established that traveling at approximately double the posted speed limit. Other vehicles present constitutes prima facie reckless driving. No additional proof of intent is required. The evidence here was unambiguous. Second, driving while license suspended in the 3rd degree. Under Washington Revised Code Section 46-342. This misdemeanor was discovered through a routine records check mid-stop, adding a 2nd criminal count entirely independent of the original driving conduct. 3 constitutional moments define this encounter. First, the order to exit the vehicle. Pennsylvania versus Mimms in 1977, the Supreme Court held that officers may order a driver out of a lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course, without any additional justification. The intrusion on liberty is classified as de minimis. The driver's refusal was legally unprotected. Second, the Miranda moment. Rights were administered upon handcuffing. The driver responded with one word, lawyer. Under Edwards versus Arizona in 1981, that single word immediately suspended all custodial interrogation. The deputy ceased questioning. This was not discretionary. It was constitutionally mandated. Third, the contested moment. The arrest occurred approximately 75 seconds into first contact, while the driver was still attempting to locate identification. Washington Revised Code Section 46.6120 requires drivers to produce a license on demand, but the legal line between reasonable delay and grounds for immediate arrest has never been drawn cleanly by the courts. This encounter lands directly inside that unresolved gap. 3 principles from this encounter. 1. The obligation to produce identification begins the moment the officer asks, not when the driver is ready. 2. Invoking the right to an attorney, even with a single word, immediately ends all questioning under Edwards versus Arizona. No explanation is required. 3. A controlled substance prescription is a constitutionally protected medical need. Under Estelle versus Gamble in 1976. Disclosing it at arrest creates a documented legal obligation for the receiving facility. Most people in handcuffs never think to say it. The charges were filed. The Miranda rights were invoked. The suspension was confirmed. But 2 questions remain without a public answer. Was an arrest after 75 seconds legally defensible under Washington case law? Or does it open the department to a 4th Amendment challenge? And what happened in courts? Did the reckless driving charge hold? Those answers, if they exist, may change how you read every second of this footage.